We always say we have this unconditional love, but that's not really true. If somebody doesn't take care of you and isn't kind to you, you stop loving them. Don't let that happen to you. You're gonna fall.
Guys, guess who is going to go and meet her best friend? I'm really excited because we're going to meet after a real long time, and my lecture is going on, and I hope I'm not unmuted because that would be pretty weird. Like, imagine speaking here to the camera and at the same time I'm on YouTube. That would be so weird. And something is happening in the lecture which I'm not aware of, which is very disappointing. Like, oh my god, Priscilla, you need to pay attention in your lectures, like, better. This is bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready real quick and I will catch you guys after that.
So we take it to the crib. Television magic got just where we sit. Bollywood for hours. Why they always extra? And when you're on my mind, girl, I think that I should text you. We should go to Thailand, live like royalty, start a revolution, give away for free. And I never fall asleep, but I fall right into you. You're like Sunday morning wake-ups, you're like Saturday cartoons, but it's only for the eye, 'cause it never ever fails. You're the greatest flaw, 'cause you do it for yourself. Baby, you're a power that I'll never understand, chasing all your mysteries like a Scooby-Dooby van. If you're giving love, darling, tell me what you choose. I've been searching lifetimes, picking up your clues, and I never fall asleep, but I fall right into you. You're like Sunday morning wake-ups, you're like Saturday cartoons, but it's only for the eye, 'cause it never ever fails. You're the greatest flaw, 'cause you do it for yourself. Baby, you're a power that I'll never understand, chasing all your mysteries like a Scooby-Dooby van. Bollywood for hours, why they always extra? And when you're on my mind, girl, I think that I should text you. We should go to Thailand, live like royalty, start a revolution, give away for free. And I never fall asleep, but I fall right into you. You're like Sunday morning wake-ups, you're like Saturday cartoons, but it's only for the eye, 'cause it never ever fails. You're the greatest flaw, 'cause you do it for yourself.